Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now they say that to grow as an individual, personally, you should learn 3 new things every single day. Now don't ask me who is this they because I have no idea. But if they say you should learn 3 things, you should learn 3 things. इसलिए मैंने सोचा है कि आज से मैं आपको सिर्फ entertain नहीं करूँगा, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा educate भी करूँगा. So I'm going to teach you 3 new things. Now did you know in 1968 there was only 1 car in Dubai? आज कितनी गाड़ियां हैं? In 1991 there was only 1 skyscraper in Dubai. Today there are more than 400. 2 नई चीजें तो मैंने आपको सिखा दी. अब तीसरी नई चीज आपको क्या सिखाऊं? मैं सोच रहा हूं सिखाऊं नहीं, तीसरी नई चीज मैं आपको दिखाऊं और वो है ये प्री ओन्ड बोट शो.
Established in 2010, the Dubai Pre-Owned Boat Show is the only event of its kind in the region, offering absolutely everything an aspiring or even a current boat owner could possibly need in one convenient location. With a complete range of retail offerings from the marine and leisure industries, plus boat insurance and finance deals, the event provided a one-stop shop for all marine enthusiasts.
Now this is what I call living in style. अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये देखने के बाद एक हमारी पुरानी कहावत थी जिसे अब चेंज करने का वक्त आ चुका है. पहले लोग कहते थे कि हमें जीने के लिए सिर्फ 3 चीजें चाहिए, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. अब ये थोड़ा पुराना हो गया, इसे चेंज करके बना देना चाहिए. हमें जीने के लिए 4 चीजें चाहिए, रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान और एक यॉट. मैं तो एक्चुअली कह रहा हूँ अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो अगर आपके पास यॉट हो तो आपको ये 3 चीजें भी नहीं चाहिए. क्योंकि देखिए रोटी आप क्या करेंगे यॉट पे खा के हैं, उसमें वैसे भी कार्ब्स होते हैं. आप यॉट पे हैं, मस्त प्रॉन खाइए, फिश खाइए, इतना सारा सी फूड अवेलेबल है, उसे खाइए. कपड़े अब आपने यॉट पे पहने हैं या नहीं पहने, समुद्र के बीच में कौन देखने आ रहा है. और मकान तो आपका ये यॉट ऐसे ही बन जाती है. तो आई एम सेइंग अब आपको जीने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहिए और वो है यॉट. सो यू चू ऑन दिस व्हाइल आई गो एंड लुक फॉर समथिंग एल्स.
The goal of the Dubai Pre-Owned Boat Show was to make sailing more accessible to everyone and provide visitors with the opportunity to view striking pre-owned boats for sale as well as take part in exciting activities on the waterfront for an enjoyable nautical experience for the entire family.
It is a concept that is from the southwest of France and the north of Spain, so it's the mix of 2 Latin culture where the food, the music and the dance come to it. So one of the main dishes are the paella. For starter, you can go for tapas. So we have a selection of tapas. And then the paella, it's an amazing big pan that we made here in Dubai. One pan can cater for 120 person. So all the quantity are quite amazing quantity of rice and that we cook all together in once.
We've spent an eventful day here at the Pre-Owned Boat Show, but this is not the only event that happened in Dubai. Come on, guys. बहुत सारे events हुए थे, and वो सारे events आप तक लाना यही तो हमारा काम है. So let's take a look at something else that happened here.
Samsara Art, one of India's premier portals renowned for showcasing the best of modern and contemporary art, have added another feather in their cap by going international as they descended here to showcase their exquisite collections for the people of Dubai.
Samsara Art's been there since 2006. We are an art venture in Mumbai, and we work towards building portfolios of collectors and getting artists out, giving them a platform to be there and for collectors to reach out to these artists and pick up the works from there. We've got we build portfolios, a part of a lot of art events, art ventures, and yeah, we've been around, so we're here now in Dubai.
Samsara, what we like about them is that they don't just stay just doing an art exhibition. They have a lot of different concepts, like they just did head-to-head and they've done cardiology. So those are the kind of concepts we want to slowly introduce to the Middle East, which they're not familiar with. In that sense, there's a lot more. So with Saffron Media, we tend to give back to to Dubai, to the Middle East, with bringing in as much as we can with art and culture. We're doing an events with Emirates NBD right now called the Classics, which is over 4 months, and in the middle of that we wanted to bring Samsara as to a complete knot on culture and art.
Bollywood actor Sharman Joshi marked his presence at the event to support his better half Prerna Joshi, the brainchild behind Samsara and the event organizers Saffron Media.
Prerna has been associated with Concern India Foundation, which is an NGO in Mumbai, a very big organization headed by Mr. Dubash, and they had these yearly auctions, art auctions, and Prerna has gained all her experience there and the love for art there, which she took it forward with Samsara. It's almost, I think, a decade now since she's been working on it, and she's brought this exhibition here for the first time here in Dubai, along with Saffron Media and Entertainment, which again belongs to my cousins here, and I'm just here to support Prerna and my cousins here. It is difficult for me to understand and appreciate what good art is, but over the years with the expert at home, one has figured that it's pretty simple, like most of the things in life are, is if it's truly for the art of love, whatever appeals to your eye is great art, and at the same time, I've looked at it also sometimes from investment point of view, and people who are looking at it from that point of view, you may possibly need to read up a little on the artist and see how the market perceives him and see which way he's headed forward, and then make your investment. So, yeah.
Everyone's got different tastes, so you may be interested in new art, you may be interested in more mature art, maybe landscape is not your forte, or maybe you like more mythological figures. So in this particular event, we've tried to get a bit of everything, but without making it a chaos. So, we're keeping the whole mood in mind. We're hoping that all of you all here like the collection we've put together.